Alphabet Soup with Miss Jackie.
Hello, my friends. You are just in time for another bowl of my delicious alphabet soup. Are you ready? I hope you're hungry because today, I have some new fresh ingredients. It's smelling good already, but I'm gonna add some new stuff. Let me tell you. Wait a minute here. I just left my garden and I picked a bowl of fresh math. Have you ever tasted some fresh math? It is so delicious. So I'm gonna add 3 scoops of math to my soup. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's smelling so good. Let's add 2 more, okay? 4, 5. Woo, that's gonna be so good. Because 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we got 5 scoops of math. Let's see. Woo! That is some good math. Oh my goodness, that makes the soup so good. Oh, we gotta add some history. What about 4 drops of history? You want to? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops of history. That always makes it so good. Oh, science. Gotta put some science in there. Let's see. Let's just sprinkle a bunch of science. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh, my goodness. I think that's enough science. And stir it up a little bit. Woo! Please taste it. You know what? I got one more thing I want to add. Let's see. Wait a minute. What about? I just discovered. No, that's math. Let's go. Have you ever heard of a sound spice? This is a spice that makes sounds. This spice is called beets. Yeah, I know, not B-E-E-T-S, beets. I know those beets, yeah, those. These are different kinds of beets. It's spelled B-E-A-T-S, beets. All right, so I'm gonna open them up, and if you listen, you'll hear this spice is gonna make a sound, and they're called beets. Listen. You hear it? If I close it, you can't hear it anymore, can you? Listen, I'm gonna open it again. Here we go. Woo! It sounds so good. I'm gonna put some beets in here. Are you ready? Let's put some beets in here. Oh yeah. All the beets. I put them in. Okay, let's stir it up. Woo! Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh my goodness. Do you hear that? What's all that bubbling? Woo! Oh my goodness. What no? Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I think I need some color in here. Let's see. Missing some colors. What about some orange and pink and yellow? Some color. Oh, some shapes. Let's put in a circle, rectangle, and an oval. Okay, now I believe. Now that is perfect. Woo, what is that? Oh my, guys, you're not gonna believe this. What in the world? Look at this. Wow. We just made the letter B. I know you said, Miss Jackie, how do you know that's a B? It could be an M standing on the line. No, it's not an M standing on the line. It's the letter B. Let me show you. I'm going to start from the top. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to draw a half of a circle. I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to take my finger again. I'm going to come back and draw another half circle right on top. And it stops right here at the top. That, to me, is plain to see that this is the beautiful letter B. It's going to be a B day. Hey guys, it's a B words that start with B. Are you ready? Come on, get your shovels. We're gonna go find some words that start with the letter B. Let's go. Come on. Hey, let's go. Come on. Hey,
B.
let's
B.
go. Come on. Y'all, let's go. Let's go. Here we go.
Hey guys, come here. I'm out here digging, trying to find some words that start with the letter B. But this insect keeps bothering me. Whoa. Wait. Wait a minute. This is a bee. This is a bee that's bothering me. B starts with the letter B. Oh my goodness, we found our first B word. B is for bee. Bees are part of the insect family. They have 5 eyes and 6 legs. Even though they have all of those eyes, they cannot see the color red. But they can see other colors that we can't see. Honeybees are great dancers. They even communicate through a series of dance moves. You know that buzzing sound that bees make? It's because their wings are beating very, very fast. Bees are very helpful. They help plants to grow by pollinating them, and they help us with their honey. Did you know that eating honey can make you smarter? Bees are brilliant. Thank you, bees. Hey guys, I'm still trying to find some more bee words, and I'm looking. I just found another B word. It's a box. Box starts with B. You want to go and see it? Come on. Oh my goodness, what's that noise? Do you hear that sound? All right, let's be careful going towards that box. There's something inside of that box. Come a little closer. Let's see what's making that sound. Oh, look. Guys, those are bears inside of the box. 3 bears. 1, 2, 3 bears inside of the box. B is for bear. Bears are part of the mammal family. They have fur and can produce milk for their babies. Bears are omnivores. They eat both meat and plants. Bears are very good at running, climbing, and swimming. Bear babies are called cubs. If a cub is separated from his mother, he will cry and moan for weeks. Bears will risk their lives to save a cub or a sibling from danger. They care deeply about their family members. Bears are brave. We love you, bears. B is for bear. After visiting with those bears, I'm feeling thirsty and hungry. So I decided to come and dig by the wishing well, because usually it's always something good to eat or drink over here by the wishing well. So, look, a bucket. Bucket starts with the letter B, but better than that, there is this yellow thing sticking up out of my bucket. It's a banana. Banana starts with the letter B. I'm so happy this banana was here. Thank you, Wishing Well, because I am so hungry. Whoop. Let's eat some bananas. Bananas are the most popular fruit in the world. There are more than 400 different varieties of bananas. They come in red. They even come in the color purple. But most bananas are the beautiful color yellow. Eating bananas can make you happy because they contain a natural chemical called serotonin. Bananas are yummy.
B is for bananas.
guys, do you hear those birds singing? I was thinking birds start with the letter B. Birds. Let's go over to the bird bath and see if we can see those birds singing. I hear them. Let's go take a look and see if we can find them. Come on, let's go. Come a little closer. Come on. Those are not birds. What is that? Hey, guys, that's a boat. Boat in a bird bath. Look, the boat starts with the letter B. Boat. B is for boat. A boat is a vehicle used to travel on water. They come in many different sizes. There are big boats, and there are little boats. There are fast boats, and there are slow boats. I think the slow boats are my favorite. What is your favorite kind of boat? It's time for a happy break.
I hope you're happy. Can I sing a happy song? Here we go. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, your face will surely show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, your face will surely show. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Now clap your hands, and when you move around, to a funky beat. Hey, if you're happy and you know, you'll smile. If you're happy and you know, you'll smile. If you're happy and you know, your face will still show. If you're happy and you know it, you'll smile. Now stomp your feet and now move around to the funky beat. Can you move around? Move around, let me see. Hey, woo! If you're happy and you know, sing la la, la la. If you're happy and you know, sing la la, la la. If you're happy and you know, your face will surely show. If you're happy and you know, sing la la, la la. Sing it again, Lord, Lord. Sing it again, yeah. Sing la la, la la. I hope that you are happy.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I have some breaking news today. There has been some news about the letter B. The letter B is doing some things. I don't know what's going on. But to tell us more about this story, we're going to go to our roving field reporter. Her name is Triple J Mima. Take it away, Triple J Mima.
Hi, this is Triple J's Meemaw, and I am out on location today to talk with the letter B. He's supposed to be in the yard somewhere, Miss Jackie said, waiting with a beetle. And beetles are insects, so that makes me just a little bit nervous. Let's go see if we can find him. Look, I'm so excited. It's not the beetle, the bug. It's Beetle, the car. Let's see if we can find that Mr. B. Letter B, what do you have to say?
B.
There you have it. live on location. Thank you, letter B.
B is for ball. Ball. Hey guys, for our last B word, we're going to have to take a trip. We're going to travel all the way to, have you guessed it from looking at my beautiful beret? Did you say France? Yes, we're going to travel all the way to France to learn about Braille. Let's go. Braille is a tactile system that allows blind people to read and write. Braille is a code of 63 dot patterns called characters. They are read by touching them lightly with your fingertips. You can also learn to write Braille letters by using a brailler. Braille was invented by a young French inventor named Louis Braille. Thank you, Louis Braille, for being brave, bold, and brilliant, even when you were a little boy. Hey guys, welcome back. Come on in. I know that you should be so hungry right now. After all of that digging for those B words, you did such a great job. So I hope you have an appetite because I have for you a delicious bowl of alphabet soup featuring the letter B. Oh my goodness, that was so exciting. All of those B words. Wasn't that great? Well, I hope you enjoyed finding them, and I hope that you will enjoy your bowl of soup. I love you and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bon appetit.